Hey guys, so we had a look online, just some places that we could go to. We found this place. It's meant to be a car graveyard. There's meant to be quite a few old cars. So we're gonna go have an explore, see what there is, and show you guys. So we'll see you soon. It's cool. Oh, it looks like a digger. Oh, wicked.
It always reminds me of like the Looney Tunes cartoon.
Yeah.
And they get ran over and flattened.
So there's just bits everywhere. I tell you what, I know there's, you know, car skip places, but I've never known there to actually be like a tractor and works place. Like these wheels are humongous.
Oh, no, not a chance.
What about the other one?
No, it's the same.
No, it's not. That one looks smaller.
No, oh, is it?
Yeah. Oh. Well, at least you tried. Oh, that's like one of them old little tractors. Oh, I love it. Look at it. So vintage. That looks like one of them carts. You know that you have on horses?
Yeah, I know what you mean. I don't think that is. I think
No, but it looks like it.
Yeah.
Like really
Like
looks.
one of them like old wooden gypsy ones. So it's got a tank in it.
Yeah, oh my god, no, that is cool.
That is awesome.
That is wicked.
Literally see every.
I wouldn't have thought that something like this was in something like this.
You think something like this was in something like this?
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Oh, look at that. Looks like an amphibious car. Looks like the front of it.
All the back.
Yeah, looks like a bloody boat.
So when we came across this place online and we had a look at the Google Maps and that, it actually looked like a car graveyard. So that's what we were thinking it actually was. But to be fair, it turns out better. Because, you know, you see car graveyards all the time.
You've got like old vintage farm equipment.
So we've walked down the bottom just to have a look to see what's down here. It's just rows and rows and rows of, you know, big tractors, little tractors, big diggers, little diggers. Just cardboard box. Yeah, oh god, that's a wasp, sorry. Hate them buzzing in my ear. But yeah, so let you have a look. It's like they must have just been adding, you know, look at this.
These are like tens of thousands.
Look at that. It's like all the old tar and stuff. Is that oil?
I'd assume so because it's the engine block. Where
Well,
the engine block would have gone.
Whatever it
That's
is.
on top of the engine block.
Caterpillar.
I'm no car or vehicle expert.
No. Blue tractor.
There's people out.
Hmm.
I don't know.
I tell you what, these tractors are still actually about. Like, if you imagine that with all its bodywork on.
Yeah, they are, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whether that make it, I don't know.
Leyland 255.
That looks like a bloody little mini tank. TV area on the top of it. And it's cut off. No cable for you, son. Stanford, 19 RB.
That gives a clue where we are. Well, we're not actually in Stanford.
Let's get some classic diggers.
That one's got a bit of glass on it.
Oh yes, big asshole. Why do you reckon they're all stored here?
I don't know.
Don't you think like, all the local farmers are just like, right, let's dump all our stuff here?
I
And we don't
mean, this
need
must have been Not just one farmer, also bloody hundreds of farmers.
You're talking like millions of pounds worth of equipment here, especially like back in,
Well, look at that
its,
one.
you know, if it's in its, if this was all new and in working order, it's growing in there.
Oh my god, it is actually growing. It's like a little pond.
Yeah,
There's nothing even underneath to see it's coming through.
that's awesome. What's this beast? No idea what that is. It's so windy today.
But, real.
Yeah, I know.
Exactly.
Just goes to show you, like, it's a crane.
Yeah.
Yeah. Loads of different engine blocks on it. Let's just show you what's underneath the tyres, doesn't it? That. All these big knobbly bits.
It's actually a fire.
Fire extinguisher.
Oh, that's cool. I think it's amazing. Look at that big pusher. I call it pusher.
Pusher.
But you guys are like, what the hell? It ain't no pusher.
That's pretty cool. It must be like a little, it just looks like a little diesel container on the back. But is it? I don't know. Maybe it had fertiliser or something like that in the back of it. I like that. Well, I'll name you Big Red. That's what I'm going to call this one.
Call it what?
Big Red.
Big red tractor.
No, just Big Red.
Big red.
Just Big Red.
That's like Elkins.
Elkins Boatyard. This is my second red. Medium red. Medium red. I don't know what that one is. That looks like a tow truck. You know, like on cars. Gator.
They're actually old. Like.
Looks like Gator.
Sorry guys, it's so windy here.
It really is. It's in the middle of an open field, isn't it? So
Yeah.
anyway.
So yeah.
No, it's a good little explore. You know, loads of vintage JCB Caterpillars. You know, tractors, harvesters, cranes. You know, there's tons here, and it's a really good to have a look at. There's millions of pounds worth of stuff here.
Literally millions.
Can't imagine why it's been left here just to rust. It goes to waste, but it has. So give us the opportunity to have a look and give you guys a video on it.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed it.
If you guys liked it, please like, comment on it.
Yeah.
You know, please comment. Let us know what some of this stuff is, because I'm not a vehicle buff, so I don't know.
Me neither.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.